Trying to make all this money in abundance. Talking about 20s and 50s and hundreds. I make hit after hit, I know that it's coming. I been a trick star with the way I've been running shit. Know that I'm destined for greatness. Everyone always be hating, everyone wanna be famous. Nobody wanna be hated. I'm sick and tired of seeing these two faces where nobody's saying shit. I've been the one that's been playing shit. No star but I'm famous. As you watch from behind where all of the players sit. Another year or two, know that I'm making it. Why no one saying shit? Why do I feel like I'm faking it? Don't even know why the fuck I'm debating this. Is this all a part of the show? Tell me it is, I don't know. They don't really know. They don't really know. They don't really know. Yeah, they don't really know. They don't really know. Yeah, they don't really know. They don't really know. Yeah, this is what you came for. This is what you paid for. They don't really know. They don't really know. Yeah, they don't really know. They don't really know. Yeah, they don't really know. They don't really know. Yeah, what the fuck you stay for? This is what you paid for. Me and my team do it different. Used to make music while chilling in Christensen. No one would listen. Now I get paid when they listen. I'd rather make beats, I don't care what I'm missing. I can't sit by and wait for your permission. Gotta go do this shit all for my team. Everyone sleeps, not everyone dreams. And one by one they all align with my vision. I know that I'm good, I just gotta go do it. Commit to a life full of music, not under all of this public influence. Like I'ma do me and choose what I'm pursuing. Like I'ma do me and stressing over what you've been doing. Running in place but I'm actually moving. Is this all a part of the show? They tell me it is, I don't know. They don't really know. They don't really know. They don't really know. They don't really know. This is what you came for. This is what you paid for.
Pas mal, pas mal. Un tir posé. Au calme. Ah, joli. Excellent.